Hello friends, this is Mohammed Muqtada Ahmed and today I am going to show you how to unlock your iOS 10 with a broken home button. There is no other way to unlock your phone if your button is broken, but you can unlock your phone. If you swipe your camera, there is no other option to go back to home screen. So swipe here, you'll find some settings. If you doesn't find over here, just type settings, you will get here. Enter your password. If you didn't say, you will directly get into settings. Okay, now over here go into general, accessibility. Now, okay, now turn this on. You get a button over here. Now by this you can activate a home button. Thank you friends, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my page.